Hello pre-prep, welcome to Tuesday's Phonics, and we're going to do another little ditty today, but we're going to look at our sounds first. Now, we looked at all of the sounds yesterday, so if you want to look at all of them again, you can watch the film from yesterday morning. But today I thought we'd just look at our special friend sounds, which are our tricky ones. So let's have a little look at them. So my first one is f, f, starts with a t and then has a h. Tricky sound, that one. My other three sounds, if you look at them very carefully, you should be able to spot something. That's right. All of them finish with the sound, and the start is what's different. So we've got ch, sh. And we're going to have a look at some words with some of those sounds in them. So I've got my ch sounds first of all, and I'll stand here so that we can't see the sh ones. So let's see if we can sound out my words. So don't forget looking for our special friends. So when we see a word with special friends in, we don't go k, h, we say ch straight away. So let's see if we can sound it out, shall we? Ch, o, p. Ch, o, p. Chop. Well done. Ch, I, p. Ch, I, p. Chip. Fantastic. I rather like chips for tea. I think I might have some today. Now it's your turn to sound them out. Chat. Well done. This one's a bit trickier. Ch, I, k. Lots of special friends in that one. Ch, I, k. Chick. And last one. Oh, ch, I, oh, chill. Well done, super. Chop, chip, chat, chick, chill. Lovely reading. See if you can read them for me. Super work. Now we've got our shh words. Brilliant, well done. Sh, op. Shop. Sh, ed. Shed. Sh, o. Shell. Last one. Shin. Super work. Let's read them together, shall we? Ship, shop, shed, shell, shin. Now it's your turn. Fantastic, really good work today. Now we've got a new ditty today, and same as we did yesterday, you've got the words, you've got the pages to follow at home. So we'll look at our tricky words that we're going to meet in our story first of all. I think I'll just hold them up today. So my first word is zip. 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 Up. 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 Run. Run. Now we had a word like this yesterday. Let. So our first part of the word is let, and then we're going to have a s on the end. So let's. So let's go and play. Let's run outside. So let's look at those ones again. There's our word again. Zip. Up. Run. Let's. Your turn. Super. Now, in this story, we meet a tricky word. And the tricky word, I'm going to write it in red, hopefully it will show in our book, is put. Put. It's not one that we can sound out, so it's what we call a tricky word. And we have to just read it and start learning to recognise it and remember what it says. So we might use that in a sentence like, can you put your toys away? I want to put the tea in the oven. So we use it quite a lot, and it's a tricky word, so we have to just remember that one. So let's see what's happening in our story, shall we? It's called Let's Run. Wonder what's going to happen. We know it's got a zip in it because we read about a zip. Shall we see? Now, I'm going to read it first to you, and then like yesterday, you can pause the film and read it back. So let's see. It's all about snow. Good time of the year for reading a story about snow. And you have to be wearing the right clothes to be playing in the snow. So let's see what happens. Put, there's our tricky word, put. Put it on. Zip it up. I think the little boy is putting on his scarf here. Put it on. Put them on. What's he putting on here? Can you see? Some very smart welly boots. Let's run. I think running in the snow does look like lots of fun. Now, let's think of a sentence that we can think of to write about our story. Now, I think we'll start by writing zip it up. Right, I'm going to clear my board with those words. Very handy board Mr. Campbell found me. And we're going to write zip it up. So we need a z sound first of all for our word zip. Z, it, p, z, it, p, zip. Now don't forget at the beginning of our sentence it needs a capital letter. That's right. Zip, z, it, p, zip. Now, if you notice, when Mrs. Campbell writes her word, she sounds out the word as I go. I do it quite quickly so that I don't forget what word I'm trying to write. Zip, now finger space, it, zip it up, finger space, up. And then at the end of my sentence I need a full stop, that's right. Zip it up. Now we've looked at it and now we've read it, I'd like you to have a go writing that sentence by yourself. And we're going to write one more sentence. And the sentence we're going to write now is, I can run. Because if you can remember in the story, the little boy is running. So, I can run. Now, it's going to start with our word I, which was one of our spellings last week, so we should be able to remember how to write that. Have a go, pause the film, and see if you can write I can run. Okay, I'm going to write it up on the board now. I, so it's a capital letter, and then I need my finger space, can, k, a, n, k, a, n, can. I can run, run. And then a full stop. Now, if you've managed to remember your capital I, you can give yourself a tick. And if you've got your finger spaces, 2 ticks. And then if you've got your full stop at the end, it's another tick. Well done, pre-prep. Super phonics today. See you soon.